What if overnight you could add 50% more profit into your agency? Pure hardcore profit without doing anything else, without hiring any new team members, without building any new processes, without launching any new campaigns, without doing anything extra. That would be pretty great. If you're doing 20 bands a month, suddenly you're doing 30,000 a month. Pretty great. Overnight, no effort. Sounds like a crazy pyramid scheme, and maybe it is. But in this video, I'll show you how we can add like an extra 50%, in some cases a bit more or a bit less profit to your agency. And this is gonna really apply to you if you are already making some money and already closing some clients. So you're at least doing like 10K a month. But even if you're not, even if you're just in the beginning stages, you're just getting started, whatever, it's still gonna be beneficial because you should do this in the future. It's really simple. It doesn't really take much effort or energy to make this work. Really cool stuff. And I know it's a pretty bold claim. So you might be thinking, what is this dude talking about? Why should I trust him? If you have never seen my YouTube videos, just really quick and short, my name is Leevi and I've worked with over 500 growth marketing agencies in the past 3 years. I've scaled my own agency to 7 figures, help our clients make over $30 million. I would say that I'm pretty okay at agency growth stuff and like scaling agencies. So boom, to go to the whiteboard here real quick. Pretty much what this profit increase strategy is going to be relevant or be focused on is maximizing your already existing lead flow. Maximizing lead flow. So at this time, you already have some lead flow. You're already doing cold email campaigns or cold calling or paid ads, whatever you're doing. You're already doing something to acquire more clients. So, and a lot of these clients are going to waste. A lot of these clients, you're not signing them because they're probably too small, they're unqualified, they want something else. And those clients also cost you money, because think about it. If, for example, every single month you're spending, like on the low end, this is pretty low, but this is probably if you're using like outbound cold email, you're spending $500 a month on getting new clients or like on outbound campaigns. So this is your inbox manager, lead scraping, cold email infrastructure, cold email tools. You're spending $500 a month to run cold email, which is pretty on the high end, but could be the case. And you're booking, let's say 20 calls a month. This would mean that every single call that you book and every single call that you get, you're paying $25 per call. Which of course is extremely cheap still. It's still super fucking good, But let's say you're running paid ads or let's say you have some other cost, this could be more, So what we pretty much want to do is we want to maximize the ROI from each call. Like if we are only selling to like 2 people out of 10, like there's a lot of calls getting lost. There's a lot of interest in their offer. There's a lot of people raising their hand up, like if we have, boom, like this is a prospect. If we have 10 of these people, I'm just gonna do this. If you have 10 of these people who you hop on a sales call with, like all these 10 people raise their hand up, like this. Hey, I want help with whatever thing it is, whatever your offer is. Your offer could be Facebook advertising, ad creatives, copywriting, email marketing, cold email lead generation. If these people came to the sales call, they are interested in your shit. They want help with that. You have 10 people and you have paid to get these 10 people interested. But then in a lot of cases, you only end up selling to like 2 of these people, So there's 8 people who were also interested, but you never made any money off of them because maybe they didn't have the budget, whatever. So we just want to maximize the amount, or we want to put in place a really simple system that pretty much increases the amount of people that we can convert and do it in a really profitable way. So that's the name of the game today. So let's say, just for an example, our offer that we are running, or you're running an offer, and let's say you're doing cold email lead generation. I like to use that example. It doesn't mean that this only applies to cold email lead generation agencies, but I just like to use that example because that's what we do, and that's what I've been doing for years. So let's say that you're selling, what is that? Boom. Let's say you're selling an offer for $3,000 a month, and you are signing 3-month contracts, $3K for 3 months. So one deal is $9,000. You know, one client you get is $9,000. Probably a lot of these clients end up extending. They end up you upsell them or they continue working with them. But the minimum deal that you get is $9,000. You know, so obviously this $9,000 isn't pure profit. You know, so you're gonna have some costs. And once again, I'm just gonna take some average numbers. Your costs could be different. So you know, so first of all, let's say that we have your time. You know, let's say you're still in the fulfillment a little bit. Let's say you're doing like 20K a month, 30K a month. You haven't had the time to outsource fulfillment completely. So you are still working inside the fulfillment. And let's say that you're doing 30 hours and you value your time at $50 an hour, you know? So this would mean that your time is costing $1,500 per a client. You know, then let's say that the reason why I'm looking here is I already did the math, so I don't fucking have to do it live on the call. So let's say you have a deliverability guy and you have to pay the deliverability guy to do all the stuff, you know, set up the inboxes, etc. You're paying him for 3 hours and he's charging you $10 an hour. So this costs $30 an hour, not a huge cost. Then let's say we have an inbox manager, which is usually when you run like cold email campaigns, you're gonna have an inbox manager. Let's say this inbox manager is working 30 hours, so 10 hours a month on the client, and he's charging you $5 an hour. Once again, pretty average. So the inbox manager is $150. Then let's say we have some domains. You are buying like 40 domains at $10 each, so that's $400. Google Workspace, boom. Let's say you're spending, if you have like that amount of domains, you're gonna spending like, I don't know, I actually didn't calculate it, but let's say you're spending $100 on Google Workspace, just for the sake of example. Let's say you are using Clay, so you need to pay for some Clay credits, and let's say that's like $150 for 3 months, aka $50 a month. And let's say your customer acquisition cost also from everything is like $200 a month. So this would pretty much bring our cost to like $2,500 per client, you know? So let's say these are numbers, really realistic, really average numbers. You're signing clients, 3K a month offer for 3 months, 9K per client, and then through all of these costs, your own time, deliverability guy's time, inbox manager times, domains, tech, tools, marketing, sales, ends up costing like 2.5K to fulfill on each client, which means that every single client profits you $6,500. Boom. That's your bottom line number. So then let's say that on average you're doing, let's say on average you're doing 20 calls a month, like this. And out of these 20 calls, you're closing 20% of deals, you know, which would mean that you're closing 4 clients every single month. And 4 clients equals 6.5K. I was trying to not to do quick maths here, but that means 26K profit. Boom. So this could be like a really realistic scenario. Like I said, I've worked with hundreds of agencies over the years, and this is what a lot of that shit looks like, you know? You have like one main offer, boom, fixed fee, ends up profiting like 30%, 70% profit margins. You're closing like 4 clients a month. You end up doing 26K a month. And of course, once again, there's a lot of like compounding effects and upsells and LTVs and backends, all that shit, you know? So the revenue could be way higher. But this could be like a good starting state. So obviously, if you are booking 10 calls a month or 20 calls a month, and you are closing 20% of these deals, this means that you're closing 4 clients, which means that the 16 people never closed. And of course, there's a lot of reasons why these 16 people could have didn't close. Some of them maybe worked with a competitor. Some of them didn't trust you. Some of them didn't do this or that or didn't like whatever. But in a lot of cases, a lot of prospects don't close because of the price, because of the budget. You know, like maybe they don't have $9,000 to fork up front or to spend over 3 months. They just don't have the money. A lot of clients don't end up closing because of the price, you know? So let's say that in this case, out of these 16, 8 were unqualified, you know? Like because of the price, because of the budget. So what we want to do is like, this is the easiest people to convert, the easiest people to turn into money, because like we are already paying them to hop on a call with us. We're already taking the time to hop on a call. So we might as well make a little bit of money out of them. So what I would do if I were you, and we've been doing this over the years, works super fucking well, is obviously if you're selling cold email lead generation, for example, they are interested in generating more leads. They just don't have the money to hire you to do it for them. So what's the other option? They do it themselves. So you probably already, if you are smart agency owner, if you're not completely retarded, you have some SOPs, you have some processes, you might have some training materials for your team on how to run these campaigns. You know, you have like a cold email writing thing, you have like inbox management SOP, you have a Google Workspace SOP, you have all of these SOPs. You can just take all of these SOPs and package it into one digital product or one like training package, however you position it. You know, it's like outbound kickstart training package. And in a lot of cases, if you are operationally not retarded, most of these things you already have. You know, most of the things that you need to put in here, you already have. You have the SOPs, you have the tools, you have the tech, you have the processes, you have everything, training materials to build this outbound Kickstart training package. And even if you don't, you might have to go and record some looms, you might have to go and create some SOPs to complete the whole package, but you only have to do it once. You can probably do it in under 6 hours. You surely can do it in under 6 hours, at least for like simple services like these things, you know? And then you slap a price tag on it. Like, let's say if your normal offer is 9K, you slap a price tag of 2,997, you know? So it's like 1/3 of it. Boom. 1/3 of it. And you start offering this to all of the prospects who don't have the money. And you can even sweeten the deal. You can like offer a few free consultation calls or a few like consultation calls on top of this, or like initial campaign reviews or whatever. You can make this deal better. But I wouldn't put like a crazy guarantee here because it's completely done for you. You know, you can't really be responsible if it's gonna work or not because you don't really know if they're gonna use it or not. But yeah, that's like what I would do with the pricing. And then you start just selling this. And for example, if from these calls, like from these 16 calls or like 20 calls, you upsell an additional 20%, you make the 4K, like 26K from the normal deals. And then on top of this, you close 4 clients at 2,997, and I'll have to use the text tool for this. It would add $11,988 in pure profit. You know, there's no fulfillment. No one needs to be trained for this shit. No one has to manage this shit. It is just pure profit, which would mean that your monthly revenue would go from 26K to, I don't know how to make an arrow with my keyboard because I have like a small keyboard. So I'll just use this symbol. It would go to $38,000 a month profit, you know? Which is pretty fucking good. That's like a 45% increase. 45% increase. And really, like, the big thing always, like when making new offers, making downsells, upsells, cross-sells, is like the time commitment. Like there's a lot of opportunity cost baked into these things, so you have to go build new shit. But in this case, it's like you are literally just taking a process, taking SOPs, taking things that you already have, and you're just selling that, you know? You're not really creating anything fucking new. Maybe you have to film a few Loom videos here and there, like spend 6 hours of work. But then in the future, what you can do is in sales calls, if someone doesn't have the budget, you just pull this up. You know, you're just, hey, by the way, we have this thing for companies at your stage where you don't really have the capital to invest in this whole thing. We can give you this outbound Kickstart training package, which is the exact same process that we would use for you. But instead of us doing it, you're going to be doing it. And it's only 30% of the price, $2,997. And it comes with a free consultation call. We make sure that you get everything set up. So it's like the best thing that you can do. And then you can start with it. You can build the systems. You can get your first results. You can sign your first clients, blah, 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 blah. And then you can hire us, you know? And that's the only thing you do. You just like, you do nothing else. You don't have to run any new campaigns. You don't have to hire any new people. You don't have to do anything fucking else. Like any single time when someone is not qualified financially, you just quickly pull that shit out. Someone says, okay, yeah, let's do it. That sounds fantastic, especially if you have sold them well. It's like a good price anchor at 9K. You You just pull up the payment link. Okay, great. Boom. Pay from here, 2997. You send it to them. You hop on a call with them, on board with them, or do like whatever. And that's like additional profit. You know, and these numbers are not unrealistic at all. I've seen this all the time. And if it gets you 12,000 a month in extra profit, like that's fucking nice. You know, like that's great, man. That's great. That's like 4 new team members, or that's whatever. That's like a lot of gambling money or drug money that you can spend on drugs every single month. I don't know what you do with the money. So yeah, of course, if you're just a beginner, it's not gonna make sense for you to do this right now, but something that you should surely do after like 10K a month. And if you're already doing like 10K a month, do this ASAP. It's super fucking good. As well, if you are a growth marketing agency, go check out agentvelocity.io from the description. It's our consulting offer, and we will add $10,000 a month to your growth marketing agency, or you don't pay. You know, it's pretty fucking good. So go check that out, apply, book a call as well. We have a few spots that you can hop into, and yeah, let's crush it. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.